Muzata.
Today we are going to show you how to install Muzata threaded stud terminal. Here are the tools we need for installation. You can search Muzata and part number to find them, such as Muzata CR09. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. You could always find the products in this video on Amazon. Just search Muzata and the model number in Amazon searching box. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, we need to divide the height of post into equal distance and mark with a pencil. Then drill a through hole with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Put the wire rope into swage end and crimp it with a hydraulic crimper. Crimp twice to make sure it is firm enough so that the cable won't loose. After that, you can install this one on post. Then we start the other side with pretty much the same steps. Drill hole. Measure the length before marking the position. Since the adjustable range of this terminal is not very wide, it is important to reserve less extra length on wire rope. Cut the cable with Muzata cable cutter. As you can see, the cutting profile is clean without fraying or smashing. Install another terminal and tighten the nut to tense the cable. Put the cap on. Then it is done. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.